Welcome, my felonies. Back at it again. Never give up. Still show up on you. Yeah, man. It's like whatever tool you're going through, it's gonna be on your choice. Where you stand is gonna be no matter what. Man, I didn't feel like workout today. I didn't listen to my emotions. I mastered it. Human potential will master you. Ocean. It's back and going back to your natural self. Yeah, man, it's like I ain't gonna stop. I know you're just watching and you don't like and subscribe, but I'm still short. But I know you guys wishing on my fall. I ain't got no bad mind in me, bro. From little me grow, I was think I'm special and I know I'm a black sheep, a scapegoat. And just feeling myself right here, right now. Just having a talk on you guys. No matter what, other people envy you through this single attention video. A journey, sorry. No matter what, man, it's like I'll be coming up here on the new IDs. I'll just pick up the phone in the store. And you need the rest days too. You're working out, boom, and so my fellas out there working out, go early bed. Man, gonna be locking in, man. Want you guys locking in so much. Yeah, yeah, like lock in for 60 days. Your habit will change. I say, what old device you have, whatever it can be, coca, marijuana, vape, cigarette, alcohol. It's blessing you from elevating in life. It's blocking you. You want to go further, leave all those devices. Yeah, anyway, then go for 60 days. I want you guys to go. So I'm just gonna go on, go on, go on. I don't count the days. Every day is a winning day. Strive to be the better me. You only get one of these, bro. One of these. You only get one life. Every day is passing by, it's like fast. And I hope you guys be reading your Bible out there. Saying grace. I hope you guys building hopefully hopeful faith with the ancient of days. I don't care what you guys think, but I'm gonna come up here and just give props to the ancient of days, bro. Everyone's think different, everyone's selected, but few is elected. Many will call few. So many are called, but few are chosen. We all special, you know. We all got this. Don't sleep on your purpose, bros. Stay 10 toes down. I'll be coming up here and being natural, man. And don't share your secrets to others. And if you say you're living in your hometown and you go and say to people that love to stay doing the same thing, they're not interested, they don't care. They don't see much interest, no one cares about you, bro. It's just you. No one come to save you. We're concerned, man. I'm gonna tell people what the most I downloaded new, give you those insights, to execute it. Don't go and say it to other people, man. It's like they were watering you down, man. Yeah, man. Anyway, guys, man, I love you guys. Man, you guys stay blessed. Stay prayed up. And stay humble. Walk with your peace. Move with the spirit. Walk in the spirit. Practice that walk. It's very important, brothers. If you're a single man like me practicing it, so do it for the glory of the Ancient of Grace, because she's proud of you. Yeah. Or you can call it universe or whatever you call it. I ain't gonna mistake the universe. I give props to the real source, the Ancient of Days. See you guys.